Lettuce is the most beginner-friendly vegetable that you can grow at home in a cool season. In this video, we will go through each step of growing lettuce from seeds in pots. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, it's extremely important to know the right time to grow lettuce seeds. Lettuce plants likes a cool area to grow. Starting winters could be the best time to sow their seeds. But in cold climate countries, lettuce is grown all year long because it grows very well at room temperature. So make sure the season is not too cold and not too hot, and then sow the seeds of lettuce plants. Another important thing for growing lettuce from seeds is the quality of seeds. Lettuce seeds are very tiny, but they grow quickly. The best quality seeds are that which are harvested recently. Older seeds have lesser germination rate, and the seedlings that grow are also weak. So it's better to buy fresh lettuce seeds. Also make sure the lettuce variety you are sowing is compatible with your area. Better to start from a locally grown common variety. Some good quality lettuce seeds are also linked in the description box to buy. Another important thing to grow lettuce at home is to prepare a seed starter. Seeds can grow in an ordinary soil media, but to ensure 100% germination, it's better to use a loose, soft and very well-draining soil mix. Once the plants are big enough, you can shift them in an ordinary soil mix. For now, I am using a homemade seed starter. It's a cheap recipe. You can follow it from the description box video. For the pot, choose any 5 to 6 inches pot with the drainage holes. Now let's sow the lettuce seeds. These are the seeds of lettuce plants. They are tiny, so be careful. Sprinkle them over the moist soil media evenly. Make sure the seeds don't overlap. Now cover them with a thin layer of soil media. I used coco peat. It's lightweight and helps the seedlings to pop out easily. Don't bury them too deep. Now moisten the soil using a spray bottle. Make sure the soil goes fully moist for the first time. It's important for healthy germination. Place this pot in a very well-lit area and do subscribe to our channel. After a few days, teeny tiny seedlings of lettuce plants will pop out. At this stage, put them in a full day of bright light but not direct sunlight. Within a few more days, the growing seedlings will have a few true leaves. Now you can transplant them in a bigger pot. Choose such a wider container with at least 4 to 5 inches depth. I am using a grow bag. It's porous, best for lettuce roots. For the soil mix, use a well-draining and soft mix. Make sure it's a little moist before transplant. You can also make a free potting mix at home. Video on that is added in the description box. Now carefully extract the seedlings out of the pot. Don't damage the roots. And let some soil intact with the roots. If the seedlings have been watered a day before transplant, this will reduce the chance of death. Put the plant into the soil up to the first set of true leaves. Gather soil around its fragile trunk and press a little. With this way, transplant all seedlings with a gap of 4 to 5 inches. Do this whole procedure at a cool evening, then water the soil very carefully. Don't throw water over the plant. Make sure no leaf touches the soil surface. Place this grow bag in a shade for some days and do subscribe to our channel. Within a few more days, the plants will stand and start growing. Now you can put them in a sunny area. Keep the soil a little moist all the time, but don't add too much moisture. After a few weeks, your lettuce plants will look like this. You can fertilize them at this stage. Use a nutrient-enriched fertilizer every 2 weeks. I used this fertilizer at the transplant time. It's made at home using organic ingredients. You can find a video on this vegetable fertilizer from the description box. Within a few more days, you will see your plants growing very fast. It's because they are mature and season is getting very ideal now. I grew them in the start of winters and now the nights are cooler, which helps the lettuce to grow bigger leaves. So the season is most important. Once the leaves are 4 to 5 inches, you can harvest them. The method is really simple. Take a clean cutter, cut above the crown. Crown is the part from where all the leaves are appearing. Leaving 1 inch of the plant, you can harvest the above part. Do this carefully. These are the harvested organic leaves of lettuce grown at home from seeds. The rest of the plants will grow new leaves that you can harvest again, but now fertilize them a little using the same fertilizer. It will provide the plant nutrients to grow healthy leaves again. So it's all about growing lettuce from seeds. To know how you can grow turnips from seeds step by step, follow this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.